Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to iCloud. This phone number cannot be used at this time in iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your phone number cannot be used with iTunes Store, so let's see some possible fixes. Very first thing is that you have to check that you have a strongest and stable network connection. Go back from here, open your settings app. Then go for general and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that and then select the date and time option and you have to disable this set automatically. Then select your time zone. You just have to select your own time zone in which you're living. After selecting, enable this again. Then go back and you have to go for language and